Hey, good morning. So I was just kind of searching for a better local LLM that lets me talk like this, transcribe, record calls, things like that. And it seems like this might be the ticket. Um, I just asked ChatGPT to search for some, and this came up. It sounds pretty good, and uh, they're kind of like agentic focused. They are um, free, open source, etc. So it seems pretty neat. I'm going to push pause here for a second. Here we go. Just going to open this up. So we'll install this. It says it uses, I don't think it uses Whisper, it uses Parakeet, which is cool because I've already got, I use Handy for some speech to text stuff, and I use Parakeet v3. So this is also a cool one as well. You just press spacebar and control or whatever. Hey, this is Jesse. Can you just check the transcription? So just whatever you are typing, it auto does. So I'll push pause while this installs. So during the install, it just popped up and said, do you want to download the meeting assistant model as well? It'll take up approximately 2 gigabytes of space and be usable immediately. So I just clicked yes, and it is installing that as well now. You see it's going to take another 18 minutes, whatever, we'll see. Okay, so it looks like it's done. It didn't take that long at all. So let's just click finish and it should run. This Midplex Labs is just the name of the company that makes this. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so it's saying Quinn 3 Vision 4B instruct, which is the biggest, which I'm fine with that. We're committed to transparency and control when it comes to your personal data. Okay. So they have their own vector database, I think this must be. Now here's, okay. So my email is, I'll skip this for. Okay, so AnythingLLM now lives across your desktop, accessible from anywhere you want, screen captures, instant pop-ups, cross apps, 100% private. So press Control + / anytime. Okay, so here's the assistant. Now, just wondering what else I need to do here to set this up. Oh, why is that getting... Okay, so settings. Let's just see what we have here. Chat settings. I don't know. I'll lots to kind of go through here, but Yeah. So I'm just gonna, I don't know if it's gonna record since I'm already recording this video, but let's see. This is Jesse Lawrence. I'm just setting up AnythingLLM, the superpowers for your operating system using local AI, and just see how it transcribes. Okay, agent, swapping over to agent chat, type exit to exit execution loop early. So I don't know what agent loop we have going right now. Manage agent skills. Yes, this is where I want to, part of my workflow that I'm working on is I'm reviewing a bunch of imagery, and I kind of just talk as I'm going through all the imagery and my thoughts about these sites. And then I take that and I transcribe it, and then it serves as kind of like my internal notes that I'm using when I'm writing a report. And my idea is that I should be able to just set this up to, I was using Google Recorder or something like that. But this here, because I'm using Codex for so much, that all my files are just local on my laptop here so that Codex or Claude Code can look at them. I didn't want to be just transcribing with Google Recorder and having it online. I may as well just set this up so that it dumps my transcript and then a report, a summary into my folders and work with it. So I also want to see how it works with, I'm going to do the little, so I was looking, this is Tim. He's the creator of this. He's got a couple of videos. I just watched his first one, which is
and today I want to show you
this here. It was a pretty good overview, but in it, they say just open up any Google Meet. So I'm going to do that. Give me a second here. There, Meet. So we'll do a new meeting, start an instant meeting. Oh, so I got a notification down here saying just joined a meeting. And I'm going to say yes. Start your first recording. Allow this. Okay, so I'm pretty sure. So this is my Google Meet meeting. Camera's not working because I'm already here. And I'm discussing. So it's just like, I hope to use this so I don't have to take notes as much. I mean, I think everyone does this. And I just am able to explain to whoever I'm talking to that I'm recording this for my own purposes. And once the meeting is done, I would hit end. And yeah, I got another little desktop notification pop up here. Say AnythingLLM is transcribing and recording, generating a summary, and doing action items. Will notify you when it's done. So it's just working right here. I think it's pretty cool. I'll use it for a bit and maybe do another review of it in a little bit. And it doesn't seem to be using up too much bandwidth. Let's do... So CPU, memory, I'll see what happens once. Oh, there's the GPU. That's probably what it's running on. Anyways, pretty interesting to play with this a little bit, and just it seems like there's lots going on. Now, how to get back to Meeting Assistant? Yeah. I don't care if it takes a few minutes. I don't need these things immediately. I'll just pause this. So while it's transcribing, I just found this agent flows. So I'm going to create a flow. So let's just do Jesse notes. Jesse reporting notes. I got a notification that the recording is done. I'll just ignore this for now. Meeting Assistant. First recording. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is my Google Meet meeting. Camera's not working. So you could, oh, I see. It's trying to suggest things it can do. I could email the summary to people, create calendar events, and if I click run there, it's going to ask me to go to. Either way, obviously takes a little bit of setting up here, but really cool. And I'll follow up with it. It's pretty neat.